Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm going to share with you what can you get. I think it was $100. Guys, these groceries are going extremely high. Let me find my receipt. What did I do with the receipt? Oh, hold on. Let me grab my receipt, guys. All right, guys. Everything came out in, okay, this is $90.15 and $5.98. So that's $96, guys. This is what you can get with $96. And the reason why it was not more than $100 was because the produce, I caught a lot of stuff on sale. For example, you guys know that I buy my mangoes, that I pay 99 cents each. This time they were 68 cents. The plantain, they usually 69 cents each, and this time I got the plantains 4 for $1. So yeah, guys, so there were some serving there, and let's get started. Guys, you hear drinking? That's my Apollo. He's drinking. I got 2 apples. The apples were a good price as well. They were on sale, and the tomato was 39 cents. I only got one because I'm going to make a salad for dinner. We got the peppers. One was 98 cents and the other one was $1.19. This is the one, these are the yellow plantain. This was 59 cents each. Here are my mangoes. They were 69 cents each. So I got 3 of those. The garlic, it was $1.39. So they usually $1.99. This was $1.39. Here are the green plantains. They were 4 for $1. So that was a good price. And the onions, they were regular price. Okay, that was that. The potatoes were on sale as well, $1.69. They usually $2.99. These are the premium roasted potatoes. So we got 1 bag of those. Of course, you guys know that I needed my brown sugar for baking. $1.20 something, $1.39. Croutons. And I needed some syrup for when I do my breakfast crepes or homemade pancakes. So $1.29 as well. The peanut butter, I didn't saw the peanut butter price. My husband picked the peanut butter. And of course, powdered sugar. So that's that. Guys, I just want to let you know that I usually go live during the week. During the week, I go live twice a day if possible. So I hope you guys join me for breakfast ideas and for dinner ideas, guys. In my channel, as you guys know on the title, well, on the description box of my channel, I do everything: cooking, cleaning, occasionally DIY. I hold up on the DIY and on the home decorating. So right now I'm just taking a little bit of time off of that. When the spring season comes, we're going to get right back at it, guys. The pink beans, these ones are low sodium or now with sea salt. So this, they do have salt, but they are made with sea salt. So this one was on sale for $3. They usually $1.49. The beans are $1.49. So I got this one because when I cook, if I have to add salt, I just add salt to it. And it's better low sodium because you could add Mrs. Dash for more flavor. So I got 3 of those. Okay. We got some canned goods. corn, guys, for the prices. You guys gonna notice, you guys are not gonna see any meat here. The meat was extremely high. Thank goodness that I do have meat on my freezer, but my husband is getting ready to buy a deep freezer because when they are meat on sale, we are just going to stock up on that because it's getting the prices are ridiculous. I saw the pork chops. I mean, it's like 5-6 pork chops for like $15. I'm like, wow, it's getting bad, guys. It's getting bad out there, you know. And it's not like we don't get help from no one. We don't get help from the government or anything. So it's hard. It is hard out there. You work hard for what you got, but what's the use that you break your back working so hard and the prices is going up? So, you know. So I bought a garlic powder, a big one this time because I cook with a lot of garlic. And you guys saw that I got fresh garlic. Yeah, it's not like we get any help, you know. It's very hard. Let me put that there. Oh, and don't forget also we got a bread. You know, I said to myself, thank God that our kids are growing out of the house and they got their own income. But I know that a lot of seniors are going through tough times right now. Okay, they got the oil was $3.49, so we got an oil there because we do need an oil. So let me put this up here. Okay, we got flour, all-purpose flour for baking. We got that. Put that there. The vanilla, I got the imitation vanilla flavor. This one was 99 cents. This one always been 99 cents, but the regular vanilla, they didn't have any. And my husband said that the vanilla is going high. Usually I pay $2.79 for the bottles of vanilla. Either a lot of stores not getting it or the price have double because the original vanilla, they have to use the vanilla bean. So where that come from? The farmers. And what's going on now? Everybody that works the fields, they're not there. So the price is high. So I got 2 of these. I'm talking fast, guys, because we are hungry and we are gonna be cooked. I'm gonna be going live once I finish this video. So of course, my sweetener that I usually get, Sazon, and I got a banana cream, artificial flavor pudding. I want to see. I want to do. I thought I was actually grabbing the vanilla pudding, but I grabbed this one by accident. But I wanted a vanilla pudding because I wanted to make a Boston cream cake, and I also grabbed that. And also, I've been looking for pineapple. You said, babe, that the pineapples are not coming in, huh?
Well, I don't know about other stores that they are coming in to other supermarkets, just not, right?
The store that we usually go, my husband been a couple of times to see if he could get cans of pineapple. He have not found them, and they told him that they're not been coming in. But in his job, it doesn't matter to me because I just take a regular pineapple, a fruit, cut it, and make the cake. So, of course, you guys know I make cake from scratch, but sometimes I like to keep this as backup. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Sometimes you want to take it easy. You got to keep stuff as backup. All right. This is the only meat that I got. And I got it because they only have 3. And oh, babe, this is ground chicken, not ground turkey. Anyways, ground chicken. Ground chicken. We thought it was ground turkey. But this is 16 ounces, and it was 3 something for this. So that's okay. Making for pasta. Of course, I got mushrooms, shrimp. I always buy shrimp. The shrimp, this shrimp never seems to go up. It's $6.99. It's been $6.99 for the longest. God forbid next time that I go shopping, probably they'll be like astronomically high. So we got that. And of course, my husband got one of ham cold cuts for sandwiches for where he goes. Okay, so a whole month. So this was like 4 something or 3 something. It doesn't have a price, so I don't know how much he paid for it. And then of course the baby carrots, $1.29. The butter, I don't know how much was the butter. I didn't pick it up. My husband did. And one whipped topping. So usually the whipped topping is 2 something, and the butter is like almost $4. So that I know. So the exact price I cannot remember. And of course, we got a bag of chicken wings for Super Bowl. So yeah, guys, that is my grocery haul, guys. I'm telling you. And then I spent $20 in Dollar Tree for sweets, cookies, and stuff. I'm going to do that in a separate video. So guys, here is my grocery haul, and that's how much we spent. So let me bring you guys close, and let me leave it like I always say. Guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.